Who's moving? Oh, us. What, you want the stainless steel one? Okay, but like, I feel like we could find a cheap one. Yeah. And then the 3-piece set, storage containers. What don't we have? We have gloves, we have garbage bags.
Oh, we got one. Oh, that's 30.
We probably have to let it marinate.
Or just make it in. Make it some marinate there. No. But it's how lake is, eh? Like a cold.
Yeah, that's you're gonna be the problem.
Please. Please. Come on now. Hire me.
Okay, but they have ugly ones.
I could be out. I could be out caravan. Stop.
For a little bit, and then clean it with this shit.
Niggas know what's going on. 1,000 photos of that.
No word. The I can't even do
You heard? That's a bad nigga. It could like my son Jada. Fuck nigga. Congrats to fucking Sayad and Jada. Nigga suck my fucking dick. Niggas always going free thunder. It's the light, girl. Yo. So we finished the bed. Stand this nigga holding my phone down. The bed is done. Look at the bed, y'all. Yeah. Don't move it around, you. It's the bathroom. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy stand-up shit. So, happy now. We got the crowd. You feel me? Oh no, you got something like that today?
And sheets and stuff like that. Wait, we got sheets or not? Currently making the bed, so we got a couple things. Few things actually. Paper towels, stuff like that. Some cleaning supplies. We cleaned a little bit yesterday. We didn't record too much of us building because it was just like too much going on yesterday, but finally got my bag. This shit's so heavy I can't even lift it up. But this is the clothing rack that I've been waiting for fucking weeks for, so open it. This is my friend Jada.
Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch.
Welcome to Earth.
So I just wanted to show you guys the finished product of my clothing rack. He had no involvement. Actually, he did have a little bit of involvement in it, but
not the screw,
the screwing part. Okay, I may be a little bit weak, but
I just like these.
I just started the hangers, right? Yeah. That's why I got the black velvet.
Yeah.
Black, whatever it's called. And we had to start putting stuff on it to see the vision, and then
it's cooking.
Yeah.
Come on.
But what comes today? The Wi-Fi comes today, and his dresser comes today, so we get to put more of the stuff in place and see how it looks.
So today,
update. Like, do you see
first link in the description to get a Shopify trial for $1 for 3 months.
Look at his little setup. Feel me? And then he got his dresser over there that he just did today. Everything's coming along. Everything's coming along perfect. We're just like really impatient, so when we get something, we literally want it done the same day. But so far, everything's coming out cute. I like the way the room looks. It's aesthetic. Huh?
You gotta take to the pussy, right? Yeah, I see her. Screwing. The last one, like the bottom part was more up. Oh shit! This shit right here is tough. Like.
Okay, I just want to quickly show you guys. Not everything came, but I'm definitely going to be doing a part 2. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And that one's going to be more of us like decorating the apartment, making it more of our home. But for now, we just set up everything that we ordered and we're comfy right now. The vanity / dresser, the clothing rack, the projector, of course, his desk, the mirror, the bed, and the dresser. The church is going crazy. But thank you guys for watching. I know you can't see me, I'm tired as fuck. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.
Period.